In this video, I use a hammer, I open a computer, and I hit a computer.
This computer has an Intel Celeron in, which is, well, probably one of the worst processors you can get. But it only cost me £5 Great British pounds. At the top there, it says it was sold for £59.99 at cash converters. I mean, why would you pay 60 quid for this thing? I have no idea. Alright, so before we plug anything in, I haven't really got a monitor that supports VGA. I've only got one of these things. So I'm going to shove this graphics card in so we can use the DVI port on this, and then we can see if it works. I haven't opened this before, and I haven't even tested it, so... Oh, that was easy. Quite a lot of dust in there. Look at all these balls. There's a PCI slot there. I don't know how well you can see that. So we're going to shove one of these PCI extenders on, so we can actually shove this graphics card on from out here. And now we can shove the display in. We can get the power. Is this powered on? Let me see if the monitor's powered on first. Alright, monitor's got power to it. Wait, what? Has this got power to it? There is no power going to the computer. It's booting up. Oh, look at that. We've posted. Oh, and it's got a hard drive. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright, well, we have to hold up the GPU like that or something. Alright, let's turn it off and back on. Might just need resetting. Oh, alright, we're on. Windows 10! Look at that! Looks like we're having troubles ejecting from the CD drive. To be fair, we got Windows 10 and a hard drive, so you know what? This might actually be worth £5. Let's shove this keyboard in, and we've got this Logitech mouse. Personally, I don't really like the Celerons, mainly because I used to have one in a laptop and it was extremely slow and I couldn't really do anything on it. And then the hard drive broke, I put an SSD in it, and then it was still really slow. So I just sold it. Who's Backyard Bell? Whose is this computer? Well, if you are Backyard Bell, leave a comment below. On this label, it says it has 5GB of RAM, but it doesn't tell me what the storage is, so... It also says it had Windows 7 on it, though. Alright, Task Manager. Oh, come on. I bet when we go on here, the CPU's at 100%. Why is it opening settings? Oh, yes, alright, come on, more details. Yep, almost 100%. Memory's only on 23, so we might have quite a bit of memory in here, to be fair. Alright, so we have 5GB of RAM. Why is there so many USB slots? Oh, it's only like 300GB hard drive. That is extremely slow RAM speed. And that is an Intel Celeron. Now we're going to shove this Wi-Fi adapter in, download Geekbench, and, well, let's see how well it scores. Wait, is someone logged in on this? Is there someone's Microsoft account linked to this? I hope there isn't, but there might be. Oh my god, is it even going to load? Sign in with Okay, so there is no Microsoft account. Right, that's alright then. Can we open the disk drive? Alright, we're having troubles opening the disk drive. Right, you know what, people? We'll see you when this is downloaded. Alright, so Geekbench has just finished downloading, so let's tap finish, and then let's wait for 3 minutes until it comes on. There we go. Alright, we've finally launched. So now we're going to run the CPU benchmark. I have a feeling this is going to take, like, an hour. So, you know what? Let's close everything in the background. I can't even see what's running in the background. And, well, let's go for it. So it's been half an hour now, and the scores have just been in. And are you ready for the scores? That is literally the worst score I've ever seen on Geekbench. It's got 218 single core score and 323 multi-core score. Literally, you might as well use a 14-year-old iPad in this thing. What are we actually going to do with this? That is genuinely terrible. Does this? Oh my god, why is it so dusty? Alright, so let's loosen these screws. Easy access, to be fair, so... I feel like this has been replaced before, but we're about to find out. Is it gonna come out? Alright, are we ready to see how crusty... Yeah, no, to be fair, that thermal paste is alright. Alright, let's take this fan out. Oh, look at... Genuinely the original thermal paste, because you can see the ring around there. Oh my god, look at that. I might just rinse this under the tap. Oh, it's not really worth saving, is it? Let's get some tissue and wipe this thermal paste off. This is an Intel Celeron. I've not owned one of these for a while. Let's shove this back in the socket. Does the Celeron deserve to live? Not really, but you know what? We're going to preserve this one. So I've literally just rinsed this underneath the tap, so it's nice and clean now. I mean, it is a bit wet. I don't know if you can see any water droplets on there. There are some in the heatsink fans, but that shouldn't matter. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bust out the thermal paste. We are then going to apply slight drop in the centre, and then a bit on here. I don't really have any alcohol to wipe any of this stuff off, so is that a good place to put it? I don't know, maybe. Now let's just screw them down. Alright, that one's down. Alright, so now we fully tighten this side. Got to make sure these are quite tight, but not too tight. There we go. Look at that CPU core. That's a lot better than it was before. Alright, let's shove this fan header back on. It might be a bit wet, but that shouldn't matter. Alright, fan header's on. Oh, there's a small fan up there pushing the air out. Alright, let's plug this power supply into the hard drive. And now, let's see if this fan still spins. Oh, alright, we might have actually broke the fan. Oh, no. There we go. Just need a bit of help. Oh my god, look at how we pushed all that dust around. Right, let's turn it off and back on again. So it's been about half an hour now, so we're going to plug this back in and hopefully the fan turns on this time. Right, 3, 2, 1, on. Well, it did try to spin. Oh, I forgot to plug the DVI connector in. Have we broke the fan? You know what, it might just start spinning when it gets a bit hot, because right now it might be a bit too cold. It is trying to spin. Maybe if we hit it. Maybe it's too cold for it to spin. Maybe it just doesn't want to. Alright, you know what, let's put this power supply back. Backyard bell's back on the screen. CPU cooler's still not spinning. See, the fan spins. The fan spins when it first starts up, but then it stops. Hang on. Oh, it might actually work this time. No, I think it's going to stop. Is it? No, alright, the fan's still spinning. Fan now works. We fixed it. We just had to turn it on and off. Is that someone's actual name, or is that just a fake name? Surely no one's named their child Backyard Bell. How does a computer even get to grow fur? That's what I don't get. No, but genuinely, that 200 score, that is absolutely terrible. I get more out my fridge. Actually, I think an iPhone 6 gets more than that. The iPhone 6 literally has a better score than this thing. So what I was going to show you is every time you press the CD drive... Hang on, let me get my mic on it. See if you can hear it. It just does not want to open. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this computer off. Then we're going to bust out the screwdriver and then undo these 2 screws. It looks like it's just these 2 screws, but there might be more. Right, let's take this GPU out. Try not to break it, because this is for the test bench. It looks like we have to take off the front panel. It looks like there are 2 screws like there. So how do we take this off? How does this come off? Should hopefully just... Oh. Well, I can hear breaking clips. Should we just pull? Hope for the best. Oh my god, okay. Oh, that's definitely not how that's supposed to come off. Oh, well, we've just broke a few clips. No, it don't matter, we can always glue it on. Okay, so this is what the computer looks like. Now we can loosen these 2 screws that holds in this CD drive. Oh, there's 2 more up here that hold it in as well. To be honest, I was not meant to break them clips, but they just decided to fall off. Don't tell me I've done that for no reason. Oh, bloody hell, I've just dropped me bit. I don't think this is going to come out. Can you come out? Are we going to do this? Let's disconnect the SATA and the power at the back. If I can even get to it, I'm going to have to use a screwdriver. Shall I just bash the CD drive in? I think I've got a hammer somewhere. You know what? I ain't got a hammer on me, but this is the next best thing. I do sort of need this, so I hope I didn't break it. So I'll just jiggle it. Oh no, it's holding by a screw there. Alright, is it going to come out? Yes, it is. Come on, get out. Are you going to... Alright, you were stuck on some wires. There we go. So now we have the CD drive out. Let's just plug the power in, and turn the computer on. And now... Right, we're going to try and fix this with a hammer. See, so CD drive's out. Let's... Oh, wait, we've done it. I didn't get that on camera. We fixed it. Wait. You ready? There you go. All right. If your CD drive's stuck, whack it there with the hammer. Let's try that again. Come on. Look at that. All right, we ready? 3, 2, 1. I fixed it. I'm just a professional. Alright, we can now reinstall this and to see if it works. Now we just slot it back in. So just because this CD drive can go in and out doesn't mean that it is fully working. Now we can shove the monitor in. Oh, what's it doing? Diagnosing your PC. There's nothing wrong with it. I just hit it with a hammer. Alrighty, shove you in. Let's see if the DVD drive is it's recognised. Oh, we leave it. Oh, is this for a school? The DVD drive works. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to try and glue these back on. This computer was originally 25 quid. Oh, this one's already dry. Look at that. Now, we are missing a clip from the top there, which I have no idea where that's gone. So we're just going to leave that for now. 2 clips should be fine. There we go. All right, we're just going to leave them on there for half an hour. And then we'll see you people in a minute. All right, so it's been about an hour now. So this glue should be okay to slap back on. So literally all we do now is, oh, well, we slide it in first, don't we? There we go. I think what we're meant to do is we're meant to push these tabs in on the inside and it's just popped out. But, you know, that don't really matter. And then we can insert the power supply back in. And now what we can do is we can shove this side panel on, shove this top screw in, then we can shove the bottom screw in. Oh, no. It's not in it. Oh, no. Let's try not to break these clips. Push them in and out. All right, so this side goes in first. And now these just clip in. Yes, look at that. Top's a bit loose because there's no clip holding it in at the top. So power's on, press that. Yes, look at that. I didn't do that before. So now that's closed, we're going to end this video here. So thank you people for watching. Make sure not to buy a Celeron when you're choosing to get another computer. And we'll see you on Monday. Transition.